Welcome to Swarna's educational channel. We have started this channel in order to enlighten everyone.
Hello children, welcome back to social class. How are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. Children, before to begin our session, please keep all your requirements ready so that whenever I pose questions to you, you can answer. Children, today you're going to learn 8.4 Impact of Technology on Service Sector. In your previous class, you have learned how technology had impact on industrial sector, and also you have seen how there was decline of handlooms and how power looms had overtaken handlooms and the data about it. Let's quickly see how impact of technology had been on service sector. Let's see. There are also technological changes in service sector because service also include essential activities that may not be directly in the production of goods like teachers, doctors, lawyers, and those who provide personal services such as washing clothes, cutting hair, and so on. We also need people to do administration and accounting works and to work in the bank. Let us look at now communication service which has facilitated people to do their business faster and better. Changes in technology makes communication faster and easily available to all. India's telecommunication network is the third largest in the world. Nowadays, it is easy to contact anybody through phone, isn't it, children? Yes, you can use your landline phone or your mobile phone, but this is not so still in 1990s. Let's see advantages of mobile phone. It is used to communicate with each other and increased ability to communicate in and out of the workplace. Using GPS to direct us and also to our destinations, whether driving, cycling, or walking. Our mobile phones is like having the world's biggest reference library on hand everywhere we go. Isn't it, children? Do you all agree with me? Yes, of course. And mobile phones can help children with school projects, homeworks, and other learning tasks. This might be known to you very well. And disadvantages of mobile phones, as it has got advantages, it has got also disadvantages. It is the two sides of the coin. Mobile phones cause isolation in people. Of course, we can see this in today's generation. Even children are very much addicted to the phone and they do not have much of socialization, but rather they get isolated with their phones, playing games, and so on. Excessive usage of mobile phones causes wastage of valuable time. Do you all agree with me, children? Yes. Addiction to mobile phone causes distraction from works too, and wastages of too much money is also caused due to mobile phones, and mobile phones cause cyberbullying. This is very often we hear about it, and people lose time. They're due to overusing mobile phones. See number of telephone mobile connections per 100%. You can see in 1995 to 96 only 4%, and here 1988 to 99 7, and 2002 to 2003 14, and 2008 to 9 66, and 2011 to 12 167 in urban areas. You can see the difference in rural and urban areas. How internet changed our life. See, before and now. Even though this picture seems to be funny, but it has got a lot of meaning. Then people were very much affectionate They had lot of relationships, they cared one another and so on. And now you see, even while taking his grandma, the boy is looking at the phone and entertaining. In this picture, we can see the warmth and love experienced by both the people, and here there is no much relationships, no love, no bonding between these two. This is happening even in today's world. Computers changed the life around you. Yes, computers have changed the life around us. How? In many ways. They allow huge amounts of information to be stored in a small space. They also allow a person to calculate mathematical problems with ease. And finally, computers allow people to communicate with one another through internet sites such as Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter. New skills and new jobs. When computers were first introduced, people thought that they would lose their jobs. Later, it provided that other new jobs created, such as call centers, data analysis, etc. And it created new jobs for young people to work in multinational companies, telephone booths, mobile sales, repair, and recharge shops. Okay, children, hope you have understood whatever is taught. Here is a small task for you. Start answering the choices. Here are the answers, children. Please check your answers if they are correct or not. Excellent, children. Let's quickly review today's session. In our class today, you have learned changes in technology makes communication faster and easy. And India's telecommunication network is the third largest in the world. And nowadays it is easy to contact anybody through phone. You can use your landline phone or your mobile phone. And excessive usage of mobile phones causes wastages of valuable time, and it created new jobs for young people to work in multinational companies, telephone booths, mobile sales, and repair and recharge shops. Okay, children, here is a task of the topic. Please note down the questions. We will discuss the answers in our next session. Okay, children, hope you all have understood whatever is taught today. Meet you all in my next session with more interesting topics. Till then, take care. Bye. Happy learning.